Hello. Hello. Today we are going to start a very interesting question, which is find the value of a plus b whole square by b minus c into c minus a plus b plus c whole square by a minus b into c minus a plus c plus a whole square by a minus b into b minus c. There are four options given: -1, 0, 1, and 2. Let's see how to proceed with this question. In all these three terms, we can take a minus b into b minus c into c minus a as LCM. See, then what we will get? We will get a square minus b square into a plus b, if we will simplify it. And here we will get b square minus c square into b plus c. And here you will get c square minus a square into c plus a. How? Because if we consider this term, in this term, b minus c and c minus a both are there. Only a minus b is left. One of the a minus b is left, is multiplied by one of the a plus b. It becomes a square minus b square, as a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. We already know this fact. We know this identity. So we can take this. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we just multiply it. Simply multiply it. After multiplying, we will get a cube plus a square b minus ab square minus b cube plus b cube plus b square c minus bc square minus c cube plus c cube plus ac square plus ac square minus a square c and then last term is minus a cube. And what is in there in denominator? We have in denominator we have a cube, a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. See, a cube cut, b cube cut, and c cube cut. What we are left with is a square b minus ab square minus plus b square c minus BC square plus AC square minus A square C. Again, same denominator by A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. What we are going to do is take AB common from these two terms. If we take AB common from these two terms, what will be left? It will be left A minus B, right? Now, in these left four terms, we are taking C common. C here, all their C is common. So we are taking C as common. What we will be left with is B square. We are taking C common. So we were left with B square minus BC plus AC minus A square. It will be A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay, see here we are grouping it. What we are grouping it? We are grouping B square minus A square at one place and AC minus BC at one place. Then what will be there? Will be left with? Will be left with AB into A minus B plus C into B square minus A square plus AC minus BC. Correct? By same denominator, A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Let's move to next slide. Then what will happen? We will left with AB into A minus B plus C into B square minus A square. It means A plus B into B minus A. Correct? And then again plus BC minus AC. This means plus, if we take C common, then again we are left with B minus A. Okay. So if we take A minus B common, because here also A minus B and here is also A minus B and here also one A minus B, then we are taking A minus B as whole as common. Then what we are left with, AB plus AB plus, here we will be left with A minus B, A minus B all gone. It is plus C into A plus B. Right. Wait a minute. We are left with AB plus, sorry, AB plus C square minus AC minus BC. What we have done is we have multiplied this C in the inside. Here I have left one thing, the denominator. A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay. Again, here it will be A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Now, let's see. We can again regrouping. We are again doing regrouping. What will be here only? A minus B into, if we take in AB minus BC as B as common, then we are left with A minus C. Okay, and here also if we take minus C as common, then it will be A minus C. Correct? By denominator will be same, A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. In the next step, we'll be left with A minus B into B minus C into A minus C by A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. It will be cut. It will be cut. And see, if we multiply it by minus 1, then it becomes this one. So we can cut it by minus 1. So it becomes answer minus 1. So the answer is A, minus 1. And this is how we solve this type of questions. Very unique and very important question. Thank you.